So I've made these beautiful, I think this is a 24 by 24, and these are 12 by 12, I believe. And this can be sold as a set or separately. This one has a high resin finish on it. As you can tell, you could see me in there. High resin finish. The others just have a polyurethane finish. But they can be sold as a set. If you want to see these, we can arrange for contactless transaction. Notify me at preacherld@aol.com. The blue isn't quite as brilliant as it looks in the photos. For some reason, camera just exemplifies everything. Okay. Notify preacherld@aol.com if you're interested in any of these or the set. When you notify me by Preacher LD, put paintings in the subject box, and I'll email you back and let you know the prices. Thanks.